Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do a quick update on parking lot sale or Doyle rules. There's a new item that was added. We'll take a look, 30% off. And of course, this weekend, 10% off any single item starting the 22nd. 20% off for ITC members going through Monday the 25th, Memorial Day sale. And we have some new items that you should keep in mind that you might want to get. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, hyping, checking out the merch store. But let's look at the new items. Some new tools at Harbor Freight. New tools, and we're starting with maybe not so exciting. The HARBROs, let me know. We have the Roadshock Universal LED 8-gang switch panel, $140. This was at SEMA 2025. Maybe one day the HARBROs will get to go to SEMA. I don't know. I need to quit my day job first, and I'm nowhere near there. Roadshock Universal LED 8-gang switch panel, $140. Compared to Auxbeam, it's take full control of your lighting with this customizable streamlined switch panel. I think they had a setup at SEMA where it showed the switch panel just controlled all the lights on your vehicle. Light bar, cubes, roof, rear, flood, bumper, underglow, GPS. It is now available. It's in stock in Banning. $140. You could use, obviously no reviews, warranty information, 90-day warranty. But I guess pretty straightforward, no reviews. This is a good option to use for your 10-20% off. It's a brand new item. Unlikely for there to be any sales unless you think sometimes what Harbor Freight does is this will be a test price. They'll see how well it sells. They could lower it, but at 20% off option, you'd get it down $28 off. $28, get that down to essentially $110. So just a new tool to keep in mind. Let's look at the other ones. Not a new tool, but then new colors. New colors from US General, 30-inch, one-drawer service cart. Unfortunately, not in stock at my store. Check nearby stores. Sure, we will. Can't find any. So it's on the website. Might not be in your store, but it could be. $140. Now, for this one, I don't recommend the 20% off because the 20% off would only get you down to $28 off, and that'll only get you same thing down to about $110. But there's a super coupon. Super coupon for the next round of super coupons starting on the 26th. So it's about a week out, but it's going to be down to $100, $40 off. And even this super coupon's not up to date yet, only has the 8 old colors. But if maybe you were on the fence because you didn't like any of the colors, $40 off is a really good deal. We'll verify that, of course, on our second favorite website, Hazard Fraud Price Tracker. It shows that this service cart has been down as low as $90, and it was only down to $90 with ITC. Regular sales about just under $100 at $97, and then regular coupons about $100, $110. So not the lowest price that it's been. Maybe can't think of any flash sales, but $99 is pretty close. $10 more than the lowest price, but it's in line with getting the brand new color 30-inch one-drawer service cart in purple. So if purple's your thing, ain't nothing but a G thing. And you get it down to $99. That's starting in a week. So this is an option to get. Don't use the 20% unless you really want it early, but it's going to be pretty close. So this is an option compared to Snap-on. $140. New color purple. And there's a few new color purples. We have the US General magnetic tray with screwdriver holder. Now these potentially go on sale over 20% off. Sometimes they'll do 30% off of all US General magnetic tools or organizers, things along those lines. So those do exist, but this is a brand new tool or brand new color. Magnetic tray with screwdriver holder. Now, just a new color. 1,800 reviews already. So at screwdriver holders, place for your ratchets if you'd like. Put your screwdrivers in. How are the HARBROs using this? Great reviews, strong magnets. I drilled holes to support my 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch ratchet extensions. This is why we look at the pictures, because the HARBROs out there have the most ingenious, ingenuitive, that's not a word, but they're very clever with their uses for some of these items and with some of their modifications. Strong magnets, using it for everything. Easy tool holder, doesn't even have it on his tool cart. Wish the product was 3 inches wider, but still done the job. Used it on the inside fender to hold tools while working on the engine. Good storage option. Great storage option. I really like these magnetic base storage products by US General. You can move them out of the way easily and reposition them when you need. Great complement. Great addition to any tool cart. As expected, look at this. They have used that shelf magnetic tray to its limit. Must have for any US General toolbox. Look at this, the Skittles of all the tool carts. One day we'll get there. Needs a better magnet. Product works great. Magnets are strong and hold up well. Well used. So, new color option, 16 bucks. You could use the 20% off. Just know that they go as high as 30% off on some other sales. We have the brand new magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder. Same idea if you're using a lot of spray can type tools. You can have your screwdrivers and some spray can holders. Or use them for a barbecue. Blackstone griddle to hold my oil and water bottles. No screwdrivers needed. Primo organization. If you have 100,000 different types of WD-40, there it is. At last, all my cans used in the shop. One handy place. Magnets are super strong, and I just arranged them on the door of the powder coating oven. They bought multiple ones. 20% off any single item. Use it a few times. Use it at different stores. You can get there. A lot of people are using this for the grill. Oh, this is the same for the Blackstone, but still clever use. Follow-up review with pics. Screwdriver can holders are the bomb. I don't think I've heard that phrase, the bomb, in about 20 years. Great work for your truck. Clever uses. Again, bunch of options, 15 bucks. Could use it 20% off. Get this down an extra $3 to about 12 bucks. Or you can wait for the next 30% off any items $20 and under. There's a lot of options to hang tight on these, but just they are a new color. Of course, the US General magnetic cup holder, 12 bucks, new color. And since we're in the pattern, let's just see how the HARBROs use this. Cup holder is great. Bought this cup holder for a friend. Uses a power wheelchair for mobility. Needed a cup holder to hold his beverages. Love it. If using in a vehicle, split a couple lengths of fuel line. Again, clever. Magnetic beverage holder, perfect. Blue ribbon, handy when working in the garage. I put this bad boy on my mini toolbox. This is a different type of drink. Some blue ribbon or some Starbucks. At the office to hold drinks, I held a full 30-ounce cup, no problem. That's venti. It held a full 30 ounce. When I went to check out at Harbor Freight, I legit knocked over the stack of 5-gallon buckets. That happens when you're getting free buckets. It really sticks. Hold big cups to metal things, doesn't fall off on the bumpies. Love it. I love these uses. Gives us ideas of where we can use all these US General magnetic cup holders. I bought one of these years ago for my gym. Sticks perfectly to my power cage. And then of course, on the toolbox, super strong magnets. Can't believe how strong the magnets are. Hold big, heavy items. Anyways, I'm glad we looked that through. 12 bucks. You can save at least an extra $2.40. Or again, wait for the 30% off any items $20 and under. Those are those new items. Now we'll go here because we're here and we're going through all the new items. Titanium, 45-inch extra long leather welding helmet apron. Extra long leather welding apron, 25 bucks compared to Lincoln Electric. This heavy-duty split cowhide leather apron is extra long to protect clothing and skin from hot sparks and weld spatter. That guy is meant for this picture. This guy's doing it well. 25 bucks. Let's just review our welding percentages off. Oh, this is Vulcan. 30% off all Vulcan welding products. Unfortunately, this is not Vulcan. This is titanium. So you can still use the 20% off coupon. Be a solid get. Save an extra $5. So get it down to $20 if you're in need of a leather apron. Don't get the sparky sparks on you. 25 bucks. Get it down to 20 bucks. So brand new item. And then what we missed in our Doyle review of electricians items that are going to be on sale for 30% off. Again, all 30% off all Doyle professional tools and equipment. Plumbers, electricians, contractors, in-store only. 30% off is going to be the Doyle dual range non-contact voltage tester. Compared to Klein, 13 bucks. Already a steal of a deal. Professional dual range non-contact voltage tester safely tests outlets, lights, fixtures, and circuit breakers with a convenient built-in flashlight for illuminating dark areas. Already $13, which is already a crazy good deal. And everyone needs a good non-contact voltage tester or some type of voltage tester. And at 13 bucks from Doyle with a 3-year warranty at 30% off, that would be an extra $3.60 off. So you're getting this for sub $10 during the parking lot sale. That's just going to be, if you're in the parking lot sale, if you're in the store, pick it up. Pick it up and throw it in your Harbor Freight bag. Excellent option to have. And those are it. Those are the new items. What do the HARBROs think? Let me know, of course, in the comments. Definitely like, subscribe if you haven't, if you find this helpful, and definitely comment. I love to hear everyone's feedback in the comments. Any questions you have, I try to answer. I do my best. But definitely let me know in the comments. And I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. As usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. I already told you the spiel. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.